Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Google account from laptop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, just open your browser and type here Gmail, and once you are here, click on this website. Now click on your profile icon. Here you will find the option for sign out. We have to click here. So for now we have signed out, but we have to remove this account, and for that we just need to click on this remove an account option. Then here we need to click on this minus sign and just click on yes and remove. So we have successfully removed our account from this device, and you may want to remove the data of your account. So how you can do that? Just click on these three little dots, and here you will find the option for delete browsing data. Just click there, and here you can just go with the advanced one and just tick all these options. And once you do that, just select the time range from when you want to remove the data. So let's suppose I choose here last 7 days. You can choose whatever you want, and once you do that, just click on delete data. After you've done that, all of your data now deleted from this device, like all of your saved password and whatever you have browsed, that all are now gone. And for the more better cleanup, you can go with the third option now as well, like just click on this third party cookies, and here you will find the option for see all data side and permissions, and here you can just click on this delete all option. So now we have successfully removed and cleaned up all of our data from this device. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.